achieving the style, this is what I have done so far. I pat my hair right at this angles using the high point of my eyebrow to determine where to pat. And I've made 1, 2, 3 sections for the front, right? Then I patted it like so. From the back of my ear, go up, and then this way, okay? And same thing for this, the same thing for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and get those lines to be perfect. What I wanna do is cornrow this, crochet the back, okay? So what are you gonna need? We're going to need some hair, and this is by Zury, the V-shape styles, and this is the spring one, okay? V91011, spring wand, okay? And color, we have 4, 27, 350, because you can see the difference in color, right? Now, they say 1 pack is enough, 9, 10, 11. So there are 9 inches, 10, and 11 inches in here, right? You're gonna need braiding hair, of course, to cornrow with. You need mousse for your cornrows when you're done, and for the hair as well. You need a rat tail comb, conditioning, gel. You need ponytailers, like I have here. You need a crochet pin for this. And then you also need a pair of scissors to cut your hair, just in case your hair is not separated and everything. You know, your braiding hair. And to trim when you're done, okay?
Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. I never really liked the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me.
Okay, girls, so I have braided this cornrow. This 5 is going to be what is left out. And what I did was use the extension from the cornrows to braid 2 cornrows here where I'm going to crochet in. This 2 right here. And then I pat the hair in the middle, and then I have braided 2 other cornrows here. And I braided 1, 2, 3, and this one I just joined right here and braid it to the back, and then braid this one by itself, okay? And I'm going to do the same for the side. Okay, guys, so I have braided my cornrows down. Now, these ones never look the best at all, which when I do my little fitting cornrows, I don't get the best results like when I do regular cornrows. So maybe we'll just go back to regular cornrows, guys. You know, every time I try to fit in, it's so hard. But anyway, cornrows is done. Braided it all the way to the back. What I did was just use the cornrows on this side to braid 1 single braid. Use the cornrows, yeah, on this side, braid 1 single braid. And I know the cornrow is not perfect back there, but that's okay. Nobody sees that. And we're just going to, you know, crochet the piece right into this cornrow right here. And you can do it for any cornrow, okay? This is the back. So again, it has 9 inches. It has 10 inches, and it has 11 inches right there, right? And so we're going to start by doing the 9 in the back, right? And doing the 10 in the middle here, and then the 11 at the top.
Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. But can't promise that you got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna do with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. But can't promise.
Okay, ladies, so this is this hair, okay? We have installed to this extent. Now, I'm liking the colors. Okay. You know, forgive my lighting because I'm in a hotel and the sun has come up, so I had to switch the position of my camera here, or my phone, okay, that I used to record with. But this, I have everything in my hair now, and this is what it looks like. So I definitely need another pack because this big old head, okay, she needs more hair, period, okay? So I bought me another pack of hair, and we started with 11 inches already in the front here, as you can see. This is what the front is looking like. Now, honestly, when I still continued doing or installing like I showed you guys earlier. And the only thing I have done is this front is try to be a little bit more, to install it with the illusion method to cover it like so, because I am late for work. And so I'm just in a hurry today because everything is just behind. So what I do is go in to the front like so with my pin. And then the hair, as y'all can see, I installed the hair as is, did not try to separate it or nothing, because I'll show you what it did when I separated it. But I installed it like so. You pull, of course, and then you loop only one strand. That's exactly how I installed that front. Okay, 2 or 3 times. Just make sure they're the same length when you pull. That's what I did here. To get it, make sure you get it correctly so you can cover, right? And so then you go in one more time from this angle here and cover it. Okay, so you go in here and you install the other piece there and pull. Now, I don't like to try to do my hair on days that I work, because then I end up in a rush and can't really do the hair how I want it, or just haphazardly, you know what I mean? So of course you loop only one strand, you pull and you pull, and then you try to cover that, right? So it covers to a certain degree. So it covers that front to a certain degree. So I'm going to keep working with this front, and I will show you what the final look looks like. So we're done with this look, and this is what the back looks like. In upcoming, I'm showing you guys how I wore this hair 3 different ways. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, girls, go ahead and subscribe. 1 year wiser, everybody. So happy birthday to this queen. It's, you know, every extra year I get, I'm very happy, okay? I thank God, I bless God, I praise God every extra year that I see. So happy birthday to this queen, y'all. Happy birthday to me. It is Virgo season. Happy birthday to all my Virgos.